We are definitely back again for today, and of course, as you can see, these games are the yesterday games. All the games yesterday went in successful. It was very fantastic. Yes, all these games that I gave out yesterday, all the games went in successful. For those of you that played these games, congratulations to you guys. It's becoming history of winning this time around. Man United vs Crystal Palace, we gave this game a home draw and this game ended with a 2-1. Man United beating Crystal Palace to a 2-1 lead. Yes. Arsenal vs Chelsea, we gave this game a home or away. Yes, we gave this game a home or away and then absolutely gave this game any team to win this game and then Arsenal won this game with a 3-2. Arsenal won this game with a 3-2. Hamburger vs RB Leipzig. We gave this game the away side to have an advantage of 2-0 on this match, and definitely Leipzig won this game with a 2-1, an away 2-1, which made the 2-0 advantage go in successfully. Marseille vs Lyon. We gave this game an over 1.5 and this game ended with a 3-2. This game ended with a 3-2. And then the last game here, Stuttgart vs Wolfsburg, we gave this game an over 1.5 and then Stuttgart won this game with a clean sheet of 4-0. That was an incredible game from Stuttgart yesterday. So guys, these are the games of yesterday. Congratulations to us. We are really trying. It's not that easy. You have we have some bad days in football betting and there are some good days in football betting. So guys, it's never the same. We keep pushing, we keep chasing. In life of football, anything can happen. So guys, without me wasting much of your time, without me delaying you guys, let's dive into the show games. The main games for you guys for today. So guys, as you can see, we are having 4 matches on today's football predictions. 4 matches with the power of short 2+ goals on our prediction list today. As you can see, we are, today's been Monday, today is Monday, and there are no much games on today being Monday. Yes, there are no much games on Mondays. As you can see, our experts have analyzed the best games, the short games for you guys to know how to go about on today's football predictions. As you can see, the first game we are having here is a game between Ludo Greats versus PFC Lokomotiv Plovdiv. Yes, this game is a Bulgaria Bava Liga, and of course we are expecting these two clubs, these two teams, anything to score 3 or more goals in a row. No, none of them will score 3 goals in a row before their opponent will cancel it. So guys, it's a sure odd of 1.36 odd on our prediction list today. Real Madrid vs Kataif. Real Madrid vs Kataif. This game is going to be a little bit hard and tricky at the same time because according to Real Madrid, they saw what Barcelona played on the weekend and they won't miss these 3 points. They seriously need these 3 points. So guys, Real Madrid to definitely win one up on this match with a sure out of 1.20 or on our prediction list today. Gil Vicente Barcelos vs Benfica. We gave this game a draw or away, a Portugal Liga game, and of course, we are expecting Benfica to definitely win this game or they draw this game. It is a sure X2 for Benfica with a sure out of 1.15 on our prediction list today. And the last game here we are having on our list, Udinese vs Fiorentina. Udinese vs Fiorentina. This match, there won't be much goals on this match because I've seen it. There won't be much goals on this match, but in life of football, anything can happen. So, guys, this game we are expecting at least a goal on this game, and over 0.5. We show out of 1.08 odd on our prediction list today. Don't forget, in life of football, anything can happen. There are bad days, there are some good days in life of football. So, guys, it's never the same. As you can see, we are now on our 3-win streak roll in this football prediction channel. So guys, if you are new to this channel, this is your first time coming across this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and then do turn on the notification bell for you to get notified once our everyday predictions, betting tips and strategies are being uploaded on this channel. I wish you all the very best.